Alright, so today I received a phone call from the wife saying that the oven door had broken off. I get home today and I come take a look at it and go, sure as heck, lost a screw. So this is what we're looking at. This oven door is supposed to be up here. And it's supposed to hang just right here, but we lost this little screw that hangs in it. We're actually starting to lose this screw over here on this other side. It's just getting loose. So it must have just been getting loose for a long time and then it just decided to fall off. So what we gotta do today is we are gonna learn how to fix this oven door. Now, I've fixed plenty of oven doors before, but if you had never have, it's fairly simple. So obviously, you know, from looking at this thing here, there's a screw on this back side running through this white piece of metal here, the big oven door cover. So we're going to open this up, and inside you have the inside of the oven. But right here, you have where this white piece and this black piece meet together, and this piece of white tin on the outside. You have these little Phillips screws. Yours might have flathead screws, but most are probably going to have Phillips. That's how I've usually replaced them. Now I got a screwdriver here. We're going to take our screwdriver. We're going to unscrewdriver all these pieces. This piece of tin is going to separate from the black. It's going to separate down. And then within, what we're going to do is we're going to tighten up this screw over here. I got, sorry guys, you just fell. I got this little nut and bolt that we're going to use for the other side. And we're going to put it back through this existing hole because I've had this issue happen before. This has fallen off. And so we're just going to put a nut and bolt on it this time and make it so it never falls off again. Pretty simple. So we're going to get the tripod all set up here now that it won't stand. Grab this little chair. Oven doors are pretty easy if you never fixed them before. But it could be a little daunting if you never have, and you know you don't want to risk hurting your oven. I don't blame you there. So, took out those two screws. This piece now separates and is dropping down, just like that. I'm gonna put this piece right here on my leg. I'm using my knee to also hold this up because this little piece wants to drop all the way down. I don't want to bend the front of the oven door, so I'm gonna hold it right there with my knee while this is sitting here. I'm gonna take my little nut and bolt. I have two little washers for it that I'm also going to use as well. Put this side over here. Now, I made sure this bolt was the same size as this hole, so I've got to actually twist this whole thing on. So that's going to take a second because I could just go out and get a drill bit and drill that hole a little bit bigger, but I'm kind of lazy, so I'm not going to do that. I also could go out and get the drill gun too, and I can make this a freaking easy job, but I'm kind of lazy and I'm not going to do that. Okay, so this side is now tight. We're going to come over here, tighten up this other side. And this side only became loose because that side there became loose. So we'll tighten this side up real good. Okay. And now we're going to put this bolt back up here. There's a screw. Sorry, it's not a bolt. This one's a screw. It's as easy as that. Because what happens is these little holes that are in your handles here, as you're opening and closing it all the time, they kind of wallow out. And so the screws that are originally in don't work. So what I did is I found a bolt that's going to work exactly for what we need. You know what I mean? You put the bolt in it and then you call it good. And where that bolt was actually the exact same size, actually holding on right here, and I haven't even put the nut on yet. I'm still going to reach underneath there and put the nut on. But as of right now, it's holding really good. This other side over here is loose, so I'll have to go and get another bolt for that side, and I think I'll fix that at a later date. We'll wait till it falls off, but it did tighten up this other side here really good. These here are tight. Make sure when you put these bolts here back in that you don't strip them out. If you strip them out, you'll have the exact same problem you have with this handle, and then that's going to be a big nightmare because you got to go get special little clips to put in there and make it work. Oh, but I tightened that a little tight, so I gotta take that back out. But you guys get the basic drift of it, right? Fairly simple. I did that in under like 2 minutes. Actually, let's see what the time says here. 6 minutes. Okay, so I've been filming this whole thing for 6 minutes. I don't even think it's been 6 minutes. Anyway, it's an under 10-minute job. It's really easy. You just gotta make sure you got the new bolts to replace it with, and good as that. And now look at that. Oven door is now on. Now when the wife comes home, she is going to be so ecstatic that her oven door is fixed. If you guys like that video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe. I don't even know what I'm saying. If you guys like this video, subscribe. Make sure you leave a big thumbs up and maybe share this with other people who don't know how to fix their oven door. Well, until next time, because we'll see you in the next one.